Okay, so we are now live. This is the game engine coding live stream part 60, and this is part 5 of the file loading stuff, and we're doing the high score stuff today. We'll be wrapping that up today. Okay, first of all, I wanted to see if I could find on Reddit somewhere to like post these game engine stuff, like a bit of promotion. So if I have a look, if I type in game engine, first of all, let's just see what comes up. Did it even search for it? Don't think it did. Gaming. Game dev. And let's also try live streams. So let's just try these for now. Let's join it. And let me just turn off the display. So we're getting a bunch of drop frames, but I think that's just because let's see what it's like now with the drop frames. Okay, that seems better now because I was uploading some stuff to Google Drive. Okay, so create post. Let's join this bad boy as well. So link, copy. See what flare we should put on. Yeah, look at his video. Okay, I'll wait to do that one. Okay, so what we were doing was, if we look at High Score Manager, we had left to do write score to file. Yeah, we're not doing that yet. And set maximum. Okay, so write score to file. So we got get scores. Now the method called void. Save score. And this will literally have a score. So long score const save score. Create implementation, and basically what we're saving is underscore scores. We need to also specify the file path as well. So we're going to say const std ::string ampersand file path. You get no snack?
No.
Okay, so Save score. First of all, we shall load the score. So load scores. Oh yeah, I need to do high score manager colon load scores from file, and we'll put in file path. And then we're gonna check the scores now. I'm gonna say void. I'm gonna create another one. Int check score, check high score, check score, and we're going to pass in a const of long ampersand score. First of all, we'll actually pass in the a set of values. So std colon vector int scores, reference, and a const. Okay, so we're gonna put this here. Should kill two birds with one stone. This should. Okay, so check score. We would go through each score. So we say 4. And the int is returning the position that this score should be in. If not, you return -1. Return -1. Otherwise, so 4 int I equals int I. I'm gonna. So the first score would be the high score. So int I equals 0. I plus I less than scores dot size. So if the score is greater than scores dot at I, then that's the new position now. So you just return I. Cool glow stick, hello, seems like I'm late. No, you're not late. I've only just started less than 10 minutes ago. So it's all good. Okay. How you doing? Cool glow stick, you all good? So that looks pretty good. You should literally just say we really do need to get all the scores though from it. So we need to do something like this. once only. I'm also gonna say I just want the actual scores. I want to store the actual scores themselves. Just that. Vector, and that'll be long, remember. Vector, long. You said you would go live at 6:30.
Who said that?
Alicia said. Well, if you wasn't on the phone so long, I may have done. I blame you. I blame Alicia Noor. No ice cream for you today. Is that right? No ice cream for her.
Yep.
Have they got any? They probably have.
She just had an ice lunch day actually.
Huh. Is it part of that £55 shop? That epic shop that where they got literally nothing
Like
good.
5 things.
But nothing good as well.
Yeah.
It's all just bad stuff for you. Has she ever had a Pop Tart?
No, but you've got so many downstairs.
Well, it's only one box. It's like 2 in there.
No, she's never had them.
She can when she comes. And those caramel wafer things.
Oh yeah.
She'll like them. I mean, probably tell her to shut up though.
Do you still have them downstairs?
What, the caramel wafer things? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Had them for ages. Look on. I want to call this scores list. There we go. I'm going to call this underscore scores only. Underscore scores. And this is literally same thing. So it's going to be for here. Scores. Underscore scores dot push back, and what we're pushing back, we're pushing the score back, and we're pushing back this. Is that a long? That's what we actually need. Float, double, one side long. Okay, so what we're going to say is load scores from file. Then we're going to say check score. We're going to pass in underscore scores and the score itself. And so this will be int. Ah well, cool glow stick says int position, and now we need to essentially rearrange update scores, create another probably private for this, void update. Ooh, that one's done. Let's do Uncharted now. Let's just continue Uncharted.
Mum was watching as well.
Who? Which one?
Mum? Oh, my dad probably.
Oh, is he over there?
Yeah, do you want to say hi?
I'll say hello in a second. Let me just.
Your mum shook us in Pakistan, isn't
I forgot. Yeah, you can be watching there.
it?
this is installed now. I'm just gonna whack in Lost Legacy again. Here we go. Are you?
I don't know, just going to do something.
Hello, Mama Mujahid. Also,
Aw.
hello. You can see you as well.
I know.
You're in the right position. Update scores. So update scores, we need to set const int position and then const long score. First of all, we need to create a copy of the score. So std : so this save score, we also need, we also need the name as well. Name. So const, we need it there as well, to be fair. Const std : string answer name. Copy that, whack it there, put it here. So I'm going to say std : vector of long score backup. So what we need to do is, we know by this point what position we need to update. So we call update scores. So the position is position, score, and name. Why is that white? Don't know about that. So we need to, so if we know the position that it needs to be updated at, let's have a look. So if we have scores of 100, 9, the indentation is annoying, 90, 80, I'll just do it in Sublime, a lot easier. And here we go. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. So we have a score, let's say 95. That means update position 1, which is, you know, the second one. So what we got to do is push all these down. So we got to start from here, so this position, and no, we got to start from the top one but last, sorry, and just move them all down until we get to there. So we got to say, I remember doing, got to do this in reverse order. So we got to say for int I equals scores underscore scores dot size minus 1, I greater than 0, I greater than or equal to 0. No, it needs to go up to the point of I greater than or equal to position, I minus minus. Okay, so now, do you guys still have pizza left over? If you do, can I have some? Who do you think?
Oh, are we sure?
Yeah.
No, it's all finished.
Have you finished it, or that little bit left? There's a little bit left, but you know, my wife's having that, or you know, I might be having some of it. Can I have some of it? Yeah. We haven't got 3 slices left, or 2? 2, yeah. We can have it later. We'll finish off Scarface after this,
Yeah.
whilst we have the wraps.
Yeah. It's a plan.
Score back up. Dot push back underscore scores. No, I don't want to do it of a long. I actually want to do it of a score list. Score info. So dot push back. So we'll say score info dot date time equals underscore score list dot at I dot date time this is going to be name underscore score info and so that will create the backup of all the old ones. But we've got to move them down, haven't we? You don't want to start on the last one, we want to start on the one but last one. Let's have a look. So if we got an index of 4, yeah, 3. No, we want to do that there. Now we got the backup. Now we're going to say underscore score. We need to do something with underscore scores list. Because we're going to do a sort of a similar loop now from the start. Int I equals 0, I less than position, I plus plus, how's Budgie? She told me she's studying. She's well, and she's studying literally right here behind me. You want to give it a wave?
Hmm?
Want to give her a wave?
How's Budgie? She told me she's studying.
std colon vector score info, and here I'm going to call this new score list. Dot pushback. Underscore scores dot at I feel like this could be made more efficient here. We literally just did this instead. I also feel like if let's say you have the up to the so if you have 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, new score is 95, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you get 95, it should return a result of 1. So if you return the result of 1 while I less than so it adds that one. Then what it should do is add the new score. The new score list push back underscore scores. So you add the new one, which will be std score info score new score info new score info dot datetime equals it equals I'm gonna need to do another hash include core / time because time colon get current epoch time new scores info dot name equals name new score info equals score and dot score. We're pushing back the new score info, and now what we want to do basically want to do something similar to so for int I equals underscore scores list underscore scores dot so this new position is going to be position plus 1. It's going to be this position. I less than scores dot size -2 I plus plus. Now I think we'll be able to do something like this here. then can we literally just say underscore score list equals new score list, like so. And then can we just write that to save score? Can we just not write that now? We should be able to say file manager dot write to file. We already got the file path. We're gonna overwrite now. So we got the file path. Now the data, so a vector of data. We'll sort that out in a second. The write property, so it's file manager, write property, add to new line. Create if doesn't exist, you do true, and overwrite if exists, true as well. Add to new line. Okay, so we need to, this will be interesting. We basically need to create a list of vectors. So std colon vector string file list. How long till you're done making this game engine thing? This probably the first version, estimate end of March, and then we can start making some basic games and the engine will be updated from there, Alicia. And then probably I'm hoping then summertime, so probably June, July, can actually start making my own games using it as well. Want to taste of this Nutella smoothie?
No.
Got Nutella in there. That's sweet. Awesome. You'll be happy. You can do it on live for her. Go on, do it for live for her. Alicia, do you want Budgie to have some of this smoothie for
No.
Ami? Does Ami want it? That's cool.
No.
It wasn't for that, it was that's something else, but still. 4 auto file list dot pushback score dot, what was the format again? So name time score, name time score, name time score okay, yes, because these aren't, these two are what's it called, integers, and we'll say instead of stoi, can I do something like ost? Let's Google it. C++ convert int to string. two string, that's simple enough. Almost done. What's it moaning about now? I forgot, I've got to do it all separately, haven't I? Well, what happens if I just did it like this? Will it still work? Nope. That's fine, we've alleviated that problem anyway with the two string. And then we'll just say file list, overwrite. And I think we're nearing, well, actually I think we're at testing level now. People forget, I guess. I thought you knew how to do this stuff. Why are you Googling it? Yeah, people forget.
Who said that?
Alicia.
Yeah, I'm not telling me.
She's gonna get told off again. Are you messaging me literally right now? What's up? Love you when you do it on your laptop. Okay, so give this a test. Let's say hi dot save scores. So first of all, we need a file path. So resources / scores dot txt. And then we need a score. I'm going to do 7 because that should not be long enough to get on here. Then I'll do a name of Bob. Because realistically we need a score of 40 or above to actually get onto the list. So let's have a look. What happens? See if there's any errors first, because it's the first time I'm building it in today's live stream. Googling is a classic part of being an engineer. It so is.
It is.
It is, yeah. It's a part of life.
Yeah.
That's why the color wasn't right. I was wondering why that was the case. I'd be a good engineer then. Well, is she a good Googler? Is she like you then? Okay, so if I open this, nope, we got a problem. We got a problem. We got a problem. Oh, well, it's saved though. It did save it. Don't want the first one to be on a new line. So that could cause potential issues. Let's run that again to see what would happen if I run it again. It literally just keeps doing that. Yeah, no, what's wrong with that? There's a couple of issues. First issue is so first issue, let's fix the issue of you see what she wrote? Have a look. Okay, so the new line style, we can either potentially factor that in here, and basically if it's the first one we won't put a new line. Actually, we should just, I'm just going to do that anyway. I'm literally just going to say int counter. Realistically, it should be an unsigned int. Counter equals 0. If counter is, was that done? That's done.
Should be.
That's quick. It's any update. Latest version. Check for update. Boom, done. Have a quick look how much storage you got left. Probably not much. Okay then, I'm gonna whack in the code Gus assume we're ready and then turn the PlayStation off. Sound good?
Yes.
How's studying?
Good, I'm doing submitting.
So proud.
And I still remember it.
Yo. That's good. But things are slowly coming back to you. Just like, that's that, and that, this is this.
Yeah.
And this happens when you do this. Good stuff. Why is Budgie studying? Budgie, what are you studying? Do you want to explain to the Alicia?
For my networking exam. Cisco networking exam. Again. Should probably wait here. I'll just make a shot.
If counter is equal to 0, then we'll say underscore, I'm going to say right property equals right property no. Yes, this one isn't it? That's the issue. No, we don't want to do it like that. If it's equal to 0, then we'll say underscore file less than line. And we'll say counter plus plus okay, so let's copy and paste this then. Batman is at 100. Yoda is at 90. Rohan is at 80. We're whacking Alicia. Is at a score of 70. And Mimi is at a score of 60. Save that. Now if we give this another run, that one issue should be solved now. Shouldn't crash, which is good. Okay, so it solved the issue of it not being on the first line. Fine, but now we've got the issue of it's just overwriting. Another feature that I actually want to add is create a fresh file with scores in it. Okay. Awesome. I saved that somewhere, didn't I? Save it here. That's fine. Well, I thought it would get deleted anyway. Okay, so yeah, the issue is for some reason it's overriding it all. Now, I'm gonna say it has to be something to do with this. A new score list. Let's just see how many times this gets run. Super annoying. I'm just gonna get it off the internet, and let me post that as well. There we go. Go to GitHub. Still need to redo my Cisco networking exam. There's a new exam now. I have to study for that. KK. Study hard. KK BTS. KK BTS. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna grab hold of this. Why is that not hitting the breakpoint? Somebody's got random art and we don't have the name at the start. Let's have a look at splash state. Load scores. Save score. And oh yeah, we need to return position of -1, don't we? If -1 return. If -1 equal the position. Came in for inspiration. I got it. Currently studying for robotics exam. Great problem. Great content, man. Really appreciate it. And good to hear you got some. Some. What was it? Inspiration. How's the robotics stuff going? What's the exam like? Is it uni exam or is it some sort of certification exam? So now if I run it, will it fix that issue? Let's have a look. A few issues that we've got currently. Okay, it did not update that. It didn't even get anything. Yeah, it's not getting the name properly for some reason. Let's just try getting like an actual valid score, like 95. What were the scores anyway? If I do 95 now, it should move them all down. So Sodom Yat should be gone. So we go from Batman, Yoda, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so check score. Question is, why is that not breaking? Hash include external where is SPD log? can't remember how I even installed it now. In here, it would be in the debug thing, won't it? It's like first, Ari says hi, hello. It's like first step, but in last semester I had to create a game C++ for program class. I was learning from your video, and I actually create something cool stuff. What game did you create? It's good to hear that the videos helped. Okay, that should hopefully fix the error with the SPD log. Let's see if should get at least into number 1. Check score. So we go load scores from update scores. The check score method is not run at here yet. It is run right here. I see what he's moaning about. SPD log info. Let's see if that runs. Guess in there. I equals 0. That was the problem right there. Now let's give this another run with a score too low. See what we get. So we get no 2s, which is good. To 95. You should basically bump down all the scores except for the top one. So Bob should be at position number 2 now. Games similar to Space Invaders. Oh, that sounds cool. Continue. So for Han. Okay, so we've got a few issues here. I gotta go, lot of stuff to do. See ya, and hopefully some more videos help you, and enjoy the rest of your day. Plus also, if you're still here, I said I was gonna do this last time. Check out our Discord channel group, and if you need any help, any questions, there's like almost 1,500 members on there, and there's usually kept saying I was gonna pin it. Yeah, like there's almost 100 members online currently. It's usually 50 plus anyway online, so somebody who should be able to help you. So what is happening here? So Bob got placed there. So we got Farhan, Bob, Batman. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They sort of wrote it again. Who's Bob? Almost left. Oh, join, thanks. No problemo. Bob is my best friend.
Excuse me.
Second best friend. She is my best friend. The only friend. I'm gonna wrap up now. Haven't finished this yet, but we'll wrap it up. Alright, so let's see what this looks like if I open it in Sublime a second. It's very weird. It equals the position. Can I show update scores isn't getting called multiple times potentially? Update scores.
Did you say you're gonna wrap up, Josh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop doing laps then.
You can do some more if you want.
Honey, I've literally done 5.
Okay, that's fine then.
And I've fixed them all, so.
Oh, wife is good. Yeah, I'll have a look at this tomorrow. Probably one of those things that if you start looking, be like half an hour to fix. I thought I was Budgie's best friend. Okay, so once and for all, who is your best friend?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you both.
No, who is it? Who is it? Be honest.
My husband when I'm here and Lisha when I'm at home.
Nah, I don't accept that. That's not a valid response. You have one best friend, regardless of your geographical
Special I
location.
get to.
No special treatment. No. No. So that's high score system broken. Me, I am. So let's push origin. Done. Okay, wrapping up now. Thanks everyone for watching. See you tomorrow when we'll do part 61 of the live stream. Part 6 of the file loading. What's in your smoothie? Ooh, there was whole milk. There was mango, frozen mango chunks, blackberries, raspberries, banana, burnt Nutella or fake LD Natoka, and a bunch of porridge oats. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's what was in my smoothie. Trying to get Munna to drink, the wife, to drink this healthy smoothie.
The wife.
The wife, the one and only wife. But you need to
No.
drink this if you want
Give it a
to.
miss.
You're the one and only, so you need to drink it.
No, give it a miss.
Go on.
No.
It tastes like you're drinking a blended mud. So, you know,
No. That
well, it's like, nope, definitely not. We're not going to have it anyway, but definitely not. Even if it's the last thing to drink. No Q&A? Okay, we'll do a quick Q&A.
Oh,
Quick Q&A. You will be put on a timeout if you don't behave. We do it until I finish this. So, question time now. While we do Q&A, I'm gonna make the. Have you ever touched a cloud?
That's why she wanted to do Q&A, babe.
Have I ever touched a cloud?
No.
Maybe, maybe not. That's the answer you're getting. I forgot to turn it off. Can you turn the console off?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Off, off.
Rest mode. You need some help?
No. I'm gonna figure it out.
Ye-
Don't tell me. I wanna figure it out. This is so different.
Having fun?
I might as well just go through my husband's game collection. Yo, honey, you have an impressive collection going. Oh my god, I missed mine. I should have bought it and synced it.
You have, haven't you?
Did we bring origins? I think you did.
No, actually, didn't we? No, we decided not to.
Oh, because I was quite far in it.
Okay. Well, we'll have Valhalla soon.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Can't we risk
You have
it?
Kingdom Hearts? Oh, this is mine.
This is your one, bro.
I got excited. I was like, yo, my husband has Kingdom Hearts. He goes,
Nah, I'm not like that, bro.
don't be dissing the Kingdom Hearts.
I'm listening. What is your favorite cartoon for kids? So many. I loved Ed, Ed and Eddie. Dexter's Lab when I was a kid. I'm gonna count Simpsons as one as well. Looney Tunes. Rick and Morty.
Rick and Morty?
Yeah, it's not for kids.
Yeah, don't tell her that.
Lulu watched Rick and Morty.
No, Alicia, don't.
If he watches that in front of me and my mom, imagine that.
I'll figure it out.
Did you know that Budgie had a skateboard? I didn't know that Budgie had a skateboard. She's gonna get on a skateboard again sometime for me and show me her moves. She's gonna slide down a rail, you know, the way they do. That's what I expected. And at the end, we just flip
This
this.
is imagine Alicia sat there laughing at this right now.
I'm gonna watch it
Yeah,
now.
right, Buddy's gonna slide down like that.
What are you gonna watch? Oh, she's gonna watch Rick and Morty right now.
She's not.
That's what she said.
Oh, her's on now.
Is it?
Yeah, he said hello.
Well, I haven't received it. Oh, there it is. Hello, her. Yeah, we're just wrapping up today, so we haven't completed it yet. The saving update score stuff, we're still in the process of doing. Just getting a few errors. We're gonna wrap that up tomorrow, but we're just doing Q&A time now and just basically just chilling out for a few minutes while I finish this drink off. No stopping me. wanted to also check out. There were some issues with Nintendo Switch. A bit Leighton's history could not start software. Oh no. Which install sig patches. Everyone will stop commenting.
Did you wrap up, Baba?
What have you bought me for my birthday? Nothing?
Who said that? Oh.
Who do you think? We're not getting you anything. You're actually treating us with the Dudplay money. Yeah. You're taking us out to a restaurant. Even if they're not open, still taking us. Okay, the questions have been rewritten, but we're going to wrap up now. So thanks for watching, everyone, including Alicia. Norma, yeah, you are. And I'll see everyone tomorrow for 2 live streams. One a gameplay one, and that will be Medal of Honor Above and Beyond VR. I worked so hard for that money. Yeah, sure you did.
Wifey's also going to do a video.
Wifey's also going to do a video. You'll be offline or live?
Offline.
She'll be doing an offline one. And we'll get that uploaded as well. Be a gameplay one her. It'll be Ghost of Tsushima. Actually, it's up there if you just grab Ghost of Tsushima. Let me message her, see if it's still here. You still here?
No.
You want to show?
No.
No. Ghost of Tsushima come today. So, wife will be creating a video tomorrow.
Yeah.
And yeah, we've just installed it on the PS5. It's been updated, so should have the nice PS5 60 frames per second update on it. Just bit my tongue as well just now. Nice, looking forward to that. Good stuff. Okay, so thanks for watching. See everyone tomorrow for the 2 live stream, Medal of Honor Above and Beyond VR live stream, and then the Game Engine live stream below later in the day. I'm hoping to wrap up the high score stuff and then proceed on to the map saving, and then it'll be GUI after that. So have a good night. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you all tomorrow. You want to say bye bye?
Bye.
Bye bye.